Tired of sending forms where signers have to wade through irrelevant fields? Today, we're unlocking the power of Docusign conditional logic to create dynamic, intelligent documents that adapt to your signers. Let's dive into mastering conditional logic in Docusign. Our goal is to guide signers seamlessly by showing or hiding fields based on their previous answers first. Upload your existing document into Docusign or start a new one. Now, drag and drop the fields you need onto your document. For this tutorial, we'll focus on a common scenario asking if a signer needs a specific addendum. We'll start with a drop-down field asking, do you require the optional addendum? With yes and no as options. Here's where the magic happens. Select the drop-down field, and in the Field Properties panel that appears on the right, look for the Conditional Logic section. Click Add Recipient Conditions. Now, we're going to define the rules in the Conditional Logic pop-up. You'll see your newly added field. Click Add Condition. For our Yes option, we want to reveal a specific optional addendum agreement field, so we'll set the condition to if your drop-down field is equal to yes. Next, we link this condition to the action Show Fields. Click Add Fields, and select the optional addendum agreement field that you've already placed on your document to ensure this field only appears when yes is selected. You'll also want to set its initial state to hidden. Now, repeat this process for the no option. Add another condition. If your drop-down field is equal to no, this time, the action is do not show fields if the optional addendum agreement field is already hidden. So you don't need to explicitly add fields here. Ensure your optional addendum agreement field is set to hidden by default. And that's it. You've now implemented conditional logic. Click Save and Close. When your signer encounters the dropdown, their answer will automatically determine whether they see the optional addendum, creating a cleaner and more efficient signing experience.